welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be making biscuits to use up some of my smooth porridge. Basically like the Ready Break brand, but I get the cheap smooth porridge brand from Tesco. What you're going to need is smooth porridge, self-raising flour, baking powder, sugar, an egg and butter. First up, we're going to need 3 ounces of self-raising flour. A little bit over, but that'll do. I'm not sifting anything, this is just a throw together recipe. You by all means can sift everything through. I've just opened this bag of flour, so I like to keep my flour in these types of jars as they last longer in my cupboards. You need 5 ounces of sugar. Caster sugar is preferable. I don't have that, so I'm not... Oh, I nearly spilt it. Oh lordy, I nearly cracked the egg. I don't have... Back on topic. Oh, that shocked me then. I don't have caster sugar at the moment, so I'm just using granulated. You want about half a teaspoon of baking powder. So that's gone in there. Of course, the main ingredient, you want 5 ounces. Hang on, let's get that on ounces. 5 ounces of your soft porridge. Oh my goodness, nearly there, a little bit more. That'll do. So I'm just going to give the dry ingredients a good old mix a moment. So now I'm going to add in 1 egg. I can't do this one-handed, I'm not that fancy guys. And voila, an egg. And finally 5 ounces of melted butter. I'm going to give that a good mix. I'm going to need to get in with my hands now and bring this all together. So your mixture's going to look like this. It takes a little bit of time for it to come together, guys, so don't worry, don't add any more butter, any more water. This is what you want it to look like. So now I'm going to form these into about 2-inch balls and get them on lined trays for the oven. Your oven needs to be preheated to 190. Once we get to this stage, we're going to take a fork and we're just going to gently press. Just press it down. These are quite rusticy looking biscuits, cookies, but they are yummy. And now I'm going to pop these into the oven at 190 for about 15 minutes. They've been baking for 15 minutes. When you get them out, guys, do not touch them. Like, they will fall apart. Let them cool before you get them off the trays. I've just eaten one of these guys and oh my goodness, I love them so much. There's something so nostalgic about like the taste of smooth porridge, like Ready Break. So good. So if you do have porridge to use up, this is a great way of using it up. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and I'll catch you next time.